gooey.
That thing is like totally duck.
What? What did you say? This cheese is weirdy. It's just like
Weirdy. Okay, take them down. You're good.
Damn, sorry. Here, that's your napkin. That's your napkin.
That's blood on my phone.
I used to have a lot of nosebleeds.
Oh.
I'm kidding. I was joking.
But okay. Everyone take a water now.
Can you? So somebody take a hold of waters?
Yeah, you can take them. You're fine.
What do you say? We
Thank-
dig in. I did a good job.
Look at that.
I don't know. By the way, this is like tomato sauce. Do you guys like them?
Yeah.
Better.